Hi all, Sunish here. Welcome to Master Java into Vinax, and let's get on to the next step. Okay. Now, if you see here, I've just taken an example for an interface. Okay, and most of the times, they'll ask you. You will be knowing it like an extend keyword is used to inherit from a class, and interface is used to implement keyword is used to implement an interface. Now, exactly that's what I've done here. Product class is implementing an interface which is called as a comparator. Comparator is interface which is already there in Java. Okay. Now, can you see there is a class called collection? So see, all these things we do cover in detail when people do join for the program, but here I'm just talking about some interview tips, if at all you're already planning to go for an interview. Okay, but please ensure at least you know this much and then go for the interview. Others, what generally I've observed is they say that I went for the interview, then nothing happened, this that and all, because there is nothing there in the resume itself. What question they'll ask. So you have to prepare your resume in such a way that you should be able to tell them that practically you know something. You have good hands-on not experience. I mean, you are a person who is eager to learn. That is the attitude that you need to show. Hmm? So now collections is a class. Okay, now it is a class in Java. So you can see java.util.collections. It is there in the package called java.util. Now if I open this class, okay, fine, and if I scroll down, I'll just show you something. Okay, I'm just taking this example. Okay, there is a function called binary search, and here if you see that, see list, okay, some class, okay, or interface, let it be anything. Okay, okay, not okay. This you'll be confused. Okay, this can happen because the list is an interface. It extends comparable. This can happen. So I don't want you to treat like that. Where is sort function? Let me just check. It was already here. We'll search. Don't worry. Sort. So I'm searching for a sort function. Okay, yeah, I'm searching for a sort function. I got it. So see, there is a function called sort function. Okay, now if you observe here, I'm not going to tell a lot of things here. Okay, I mean, like what exactly this function does and all, because it becomes more complicated. But I just want to say only this much. If you see that, see, imagine t can be anything. Okay, it is saying extends comparable. Okay, and if I ask you a question, what is comparable, most of you tell with respect to this extends keyword, it will tell this is a class, because if I have to extend, then it has to be a class. Okay, now if I open here, this is an interface. So why that extends keyword have come there? Why not implements keyword? It can be a good question. If you have a proper understanding, definitely you'll be able to explain that. And also they can ask you questions related to, they can give you a complicated syntax, and they can ask you, can you tell what does this mean? Say for example here, I'm just taking that class again. And see, this is a sort function. Okay, they can ask you what does this t represent, and what does this question mark represent, and what does this t extends comparable represent? Can you explain it? Now, if such kind of syntax you are able to read and understand by yourself, no, nobody can stop you from being a good programmer. You don't now I can tell you one experience with respect to the training that I'm taking right now. I'm taking a corporate training where freshers have come in, and they've almost gone through 1 month 2 month of rigorous training, but still they have a problem. Immediately whatever error they get, without even reading the error, they'll just directly type in chat gpt, they'll take some code, they'll paste it, and they'll break all coding standards, which end up, and they're doing a project which end up in further problems because they're not understanding and using chat gpt or ChatGPT or Google, whatever it is. See, if everything could have been done with ChatGPT and Google, do you feel that you'll get a job? No, even anybody can do it, right? So there is a way to use that. I mean, it doesn't give you everything. That's a tool which need to be used in the right way so that you get the best and effective. You can do the program more effectively, but it is not going to do everything for you. If it is going to give a ready-made answer, then it is fine. Some people think that yeah, we can fool these people by using ChatGPT, we'll get the output. No, you can't. If that was a case, Do you feel that companies will spend lakhs of money for this corporate training? No, they don't want candidates like that. They want employees to be uh, self oriented in a thinking way, problem solver. They should because see, the products and the softwares that you're working with, it is not available in Google and ChatGPT. It belongs to a company. And if you need to understand that, you need to be a good team player, you need to have the right knowledge, and then after that, if you know how to use all these tools, it will make your work easier. That's it. Mm. Thank you so much.